Hey there Disney Plus fans, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter your disneyplus.com login begin 8-digit code. It's super easy and you'll be streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type in disneyplus.com. Once you're there, you should see a page like this. Now log in with your Disney Plus account credentials, enter your email and password and click login. After logging in, navigate to disneyplus.com begin. You'll see a page that looks like they are asking for an 8-digit code. Grab your remote and open the Disney Plus app on your TV or streaming device. You should see an 8-digit code displayed on your screen just like that. And go back to your computer and mobile digit and device and enter that 8-digit code in the field on the disneyplus.com begin page. Once you've entered the code, click continue. If the code is correct, you will see a success message on your screen. That means your device is now linked to your Disney Plus account and you're all set to start watching. And that's it. You've successfully entered your disneyplus.com login begin 8-digit code. Now you can enjoy all the amazing content Disney Plus has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.